Hey guys, Market Makers Method Jason here. Just want to give you guys a quick run through on how I analyze and how I use the dashboard to be a profitable trader. This is currently, for me personally, the best software out now for trading in line with the market makers and for trend following. So for the newbies, here's an legend icon on the right hand side. This will identify how the dashboard operates, peak update times, updates once per day, currencies and cryptos, updates 21:05 GMT, indices in metals 22:05 GMT, PFH means peak formation high, PFL means peak formation low. We have our status bar showing us direction and location of the peak. PFL, we're in a bullish trend. PFH, we're in a bearish trend. So we keep it as simple as possible, guys. Never trade against the peak formation of dashboard. Just never trade against your peak formation. The tick mark identifies a new peak. It's a new trend. Flashing numbers means trend has reached 3 times ADR or more. Typical market maker trends last 3 times ADR before reversing. Typical updates by the minute. We have previous peak is dumped on the chart as identified. And current active peak icon is a solid icon. So first things first, we want to click on the status bar to update it to the lowest peak formation to the highest peak formation. And I only trade beta market maker strategy and ICT concept breaker blocks and order blocks. So I have one pair here in that I like to analyze for next week. Is Great British Pound CAD. It says one peak formation low. So for one peak formation low, we only look to buy this pair. But before I like to buy this pair, I want to look at structure 3 to 5 days to the left. And I can see here last week, Friday, they made a high. So this is last week's Friday's high. So that is last week's high of the week. I will identify that with dollar signs because that will be my liquidity zone for where sellers have placed their stop losses. Here we can see an obvious wedge pattern that is identified as an accumulation phase. So from last week Friday, we had an aggressive drop, dropping into a level 1. Back into accumulation phase, as you can see, trapping a lot of buyers here. We had a breakout of the wedge into a level 2 drop on a Tuesday. Then we had a level 3 drop, trapping all the sellers. We had a small M here at the high of the day on Wednesday. Small M, trapping all that sellers here. Trapping all the sellers. So the dashboard just simplifies trend direction and trading in line with the market makers. So here you can see the dashboard is plotted 1 PFL, so we only look to buy. So currently for me in the left structure, I can see they have trapped previous traders, previous sellers in a downtrend. Level 1 drop, accumulation, level 2 drop, accumulation, level 3 drop, trapping all the sellers and shifted away from all the sellers hitting their stops. So for me, I will be only looking to trade in line with the dashboard because I never trade against the dashboard. You never want to trade against the dashboard because the dashboard trades in line with the dealers. So what I will be looking for next week will be a stop and low to this low and a rise to this liquidity zone, taking out all the sellers from last week. So dashboard has updated 1 PFL. So this will be my level 1 rise from the peak formation. I don't want to trade back into this peak formation because the dealer's intention is not to sell anymore. They want to buy. So when the dealer wants to buy, we want to buy. That's where the dashboard comes in. The dashboard keeps you in the right direction, in the direction of the dealers. So we have a level 1 rise. We will be expecting next week a level 2 rise. So this is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys will ride this pair with me next week. So till then, hope you guys enjoy the week. Ciao.